For lawyers, blog posts aren't just about lead generation, they're for credentialing and validation. Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I'm an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, why lawyers need to remember blog posts do more than just lead generation. It's amazing to me that lawyers still today and law firms still today are not as much on the blog bandwagon as they should be. And even firms that have blogs are not updating them frequently. It's not uncommon for me to look at a law firm and their website and see a blog that hasn't been updated in months or even years. Sometimes lawyers, especially lawyers in larger corporate firms and boutique law firms, think they don't have to do blog posts because blog posts are just about SEO, and that's for personal injury lawyers or criminal defense lawyers to worry about. We're a big firm, we don't need to worry about SEO. And while that might be true, that's beside the point. The issue is that when you're talking about blog posts and SEO, now you're suddenly thinking about blog posts simply as lead generation tools. You want people to find you and then click a link to have a consultation from the body of the blog post. Again, that happens often when it comes to personal injury and on criminal defense firms and family law firms and other direct-to-consumer firms, but it's not something that business-to-business firms need to worry about. Instead, they should be thinking about blog posts as credentialing their attorneys and for validating the hiring of their attorneys. So for example, if a referral source sends another potential client to the law firm and that potential client begins by looking at that firm's website, they're going to look at the content created, the thought leadership marketing content, the other content on the firm's website to get an idea, does this law firm, or more specifically, do these lawyers, or the particular lawyer that I've been referred to, do they have the credentials for us to want to hire them? Do they have the credentials that I can go to my bosses and my colleagues and say, we're going to hire this lawyer, look at them, the content they create, they have the background based on their bio, but the content they're creating, that's telling us that they know what they're doing. They can certainly handle our legal issues. And then there's also the validation issue. So you have credentialing, then you have validation. And the validation is, okay, we want to move forward. We've had the conversation with the lawyer. We've done our due diligence. The firm seems good. The lawyer seems good. Can we work with them? Should we work with them? And the blog posts and the other thought leadership content on the firm's website can help validate that decision and make the client, the now client, hopefully, or the soon-to-be client, not have any buyer's remorse. They get a feeling of why they are going to be comfortable going with this law firm. It's because the law firm has blog posts, has other thought leadership marketing content that support that decision and makes it clear, hey, look, based on what's out there, this lawyer, this law firm is the right choice for us. Blogs provide a number of marketing and business development benefits to law firms and their lawyers. Yes, lead generation might be one of those benefits, but it's not the only one. Business-to-business law firms, like large corporate law firms, like boutique law firms, need to remember that beyond lead generation, blogs and having updated blog posts can provide both credentialing benefits and validation benefits to the firm and their lawyers, because those blog posts can help prospective clients decide that that law firm or that lawyer is the one to hire after they've done the due diligence and they want to move forward. They now know, based on this content and based on the appearance of the law firm and the lawyer having knowledge about the area of law, that that law firm or that lawyer is the right person to hire to help that client through their legal issue. If you have any questions about how to create interesting and persuasive and compelling blog posts as part of your marketing and business development efforts, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We've got our own blog posts and videos that you will find helpful in helping you to create winning thought leadership marketing content.